Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine too, thank you. Well, before we are studying, let's pray first. The leader of this class, please lead it.
Before we are studying, let's pray together. Pray begin.
Thank you. Please attention, I will check your attendance first. If I call your name, please up your hand and say something. Aditya, Agnia Cahyani, Dede Arfan,
Yes, I am.
Thais,
Yes, I am.
Kiki Fatmala, Muhammad Raihan,
Yes, I am.
Nurul Ilmi Fitriani, Panji Fahru Rozi Rosadi,
Yes, I am.
Repi Muhammad Fadil,
Yes, I am.
Revi Anjani, Fikriansah,
Yes, I am.
Widya,
Yes, I am.
Akmal Nur Fauzi,
Seven.
Ain Silvi,
I'm here.
Cindy Septiani, Rifa Maisa, Naila Nailul Najwa, Dinda,
Yes, I am.
Aziz,
Yes, I am.
Fazar.
Yes, I am.
Okay, good. No absent today. Are you ready for studying English today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Before we start our material today, let's play the ice breaking first. Okay. Masih ingat ice breaking yang if I say good morning and I say good afternoon and last I say good night. Nah, Ibu berikan contohnya lagi. Nah, if I say good morning, please clap once. And then if I say good afternoon, please clap twice. And then if I say good night, just little clap. Nah, for the example, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Oke, bisa dipahami? Baik, kita mulai. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Oke, good afternoon, good morning, good night, good night, good afternoon. Okay, good. And then good morning, good night, good afternoon, good morning, good night. Okay, from here, just here, okay, just line here. Good morning, good afternoon, okay, good night, good night, good Good night. Good afternoon. Good morning. Okay, good. Thank you. And then here. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good night. Okay. Then the last line. Good afternoon. Good night. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. Good morning. Okay, good. Thank you. Now we will study about procedure text. Yeah, procedure text. Procedure text. This is learning objective. The first, students are able to write simple text procedures using their own sentences and using correct text structure and language. And then the second, students are able to present the result of procedural text that they have created themselves. So, what do you know about procedure text? Cara membuat sesuatu. Ada lagi? Cara melakukan sesuatu. And then, what is the generic structure? Apa susunan umum dalam pembuatan prosedur teks? Ada material, langkah-langkah. Ya. And then, have you ever make a procedure text? Pernah membuat prosedur teks? Pernah tidak? Okay. Look at procedure text. Today we will study about procedure text for definition, purpose, structure, language feature, and kinds of procedure text. For the first definition. What is procedure text? Who want to read? Up your hand. Who want to read? Okay, please.
A text that explains how people make or do something step by step.
And then the second.
A text that gives you instruction how to do or make something.
Yeah, thank you. What is procedure text? Procedure text is a text that explains how people make or do something. So, procedure text itu adalah menjelaskan how people make. Bagaimana cara seseorang membuat atau do something atau melakukan sesuatu. So, in procedure text, not just make something, but do something also. Jadi di procedure text itu tidak hanya membuat sesuatu, tapi juga apa? Melakukan sesuatu. Atau the definition is a text that give you instruction. Yang memberikan satu teks yang memberikan apa? You instruction. Memberikan kalian instruksi tentang apa tadi? How to do or to make. Bagaimana cara membuat dan melakukan sesuatu. And then the second is purpose. What is purpose?
Tujuan.
Yeah, good. Purpose is tujuan. What is the purpose of procedure text? Apa tujuan dari teks prosedur itu? To tell or to explain
How to make or
steps-nya, dengan langkah-langkahnya. Dan the third, generic structures. Generic structures itu adalah susunan umum. The generic structure from procedure text is the first, goal or aim. Goal or aim. What is goal or aim? Ya, tujuan. Di dalamnya, in goal or aim, tujuan kegiatan atau hal yang akan dilakukan atau dibuat nantinya. So, the first, we must kita harus menentukan goals-nya terlebih dahulu. Dan di procedure text itu biasanya goal itu atau tujuan itu posisinya ada di topik atau di judul. And then yang kedua adalah materials or ingredients and tools. What is material, ingredient, or tools? Nah, di dalamnya berisi apa? Berisi bahan-bahan dan alat. Terkadang alat-alat yang dibutuhkan untuk membuat sesuatu atau melakukan sesuatu. So, you must know the material or the ingredients. Jadi kalian harus tahu bahan atau alat yang diperlukan. After you choose the goal, setelah kalian menentukan tujuan, and then you must know the material and the ingredients. And then the last, steps. What do you know step? Langkah. After a goal and tools, nah kita harus menentukan langkah-langkahnya. Serangkaian langkah-langkah atau tips yang harus dilakukan. Nah, setelah kita menentukan dua hal tadi, goal dan material, maka kita harus menentukan steps-nya. Ketika kalian menuliskan steps, so write the step with details. Kalian harus menuliskannya dengan sedetail mungkin, secara berulang. And the next, language features. Language feature. What is language? Bahasa. Language feature. Ciri kebahasaan. What we find in procedure text of the language feature yang akan kita temukan nanti di procedure text yaitu yang pertama adalah using imperative sentence. Using imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is kalimat perintah. Kalimat perintah. For the example, cut the vegetables or pour the water. Cut. Cut itu artinya that is the imperative. And then the second, using simple present tense. Di procedure text kita menggunakan pola kalimat present tense. The present and the role of present tense is subject and verb one, and then object. We using verb one because simple present tense. And then the third, using action verb. Action verb. What is bring up verb? Kata kerja. Action, aksi atau tindakan. Action verb is kata kerja, aksi atau tindakan. For the example, open, mix, and put. Itu beberapa contoh dari action verb. And then the fourth, conjunction or connective obsequence. Nah, conjunction. In procedure text, we will using conjunction or connective. Nah, kita akan menggunakan conjunction atau connective. What is conjunction? Konjungsi atau kata penghubung. So, this is any example for conjunction or connective. We must find conjunction and connective in steps. Kita akan menemukan penggunaan conjunction di steps nanti. Conjunction contohnya seperti firstly. Bismillah firstly pertama. So in step nantinya dalam step kita akan sering menggunakan kata firstly atau yang pertama. And then next
Berikutnya.
after that setelah
Selanjutnya.
itu. And the last example is finally.
Akhirnya.
And the last of language feature is using adverb dia. Dia menggunakan adverb. Adverb apa? Adverb of time. Kita akan menggunakan keterangan waktu. Nah, adverb ini juga kita akan menemukannya di steps or di langkah-langkah. For example, for 5 minutes. And then 2 hours. Selama 2 jam atau 5 menit. That's for the example. And the next kind of procedure text. Kinds itu adalah jenis procedure text. Where we can find procedure text? Di mana saja kita akan menemukan procedure text? Nah, ini there are kinds of procedure text. The first receipt. Now we will study about procedure text and receipt. Hari ini kita akan mempelajari tentang prosedur yang bagian receipt. For the example from receipt, how to make orange juice or how to make fried rice, how to make fried noodles. Nah, di receipt ini for just food, how to make food. Okay. Receipt, and then the second manual. For the example manual, how to use a blender, and then how to use a washing machine, and how to operate a computer. So manual here, how we are to do something in manual. In receipt, how to make something. Manual, how to do something. And then the third, tutorial. Pastinya di anak remaja banyak menggunakan atau sering membuat tutorial. Tutorial is some of kind of procedure text. Tutorial itu adalah bagian dari prosedur text. For example, video making tutorial. Have you ever making a video tutorial? Pernah membuat video tutorial, and then make up tutorial. Nah, make up tutorial biasanya usually for the girls, ya, untuk perempuan. And then hijab tutorial, begitupun dengan hijab tutorial. Ya, biasanya usually using in girls untuk perempuan. And the last, so kind of procedure text not just receipt, manual, and tutorial, but the last procedure text can also talk about step dealing with human behavior. Jadi contohnya seperti how to live happily. Bagaimana cara hidup bahagia. Bagaimana cara hidup bahagia. That is kinds of procedure text. And then how to success, how to manage time. Bagaimana cara untuk sukses. That is kind of procedure text. But in how to live happily, how to success, we not just make the procedure text using the material. Jadi ketika kita membuat procedure text, dalam procedure text can also talk about step daily. Nah, tidak harus ada material, but kalian hanya menentukan goal and step, just enough. Kalian hanya cukup menentukan goal dan tujuan dan apa stepsnya saja. Okay. Nah, because we will study about procedure text of receipt, for the example, here the example. Nah, dari bagian tadi prosedur bagian receipt. Ini sebagai contohnya, how to make cheesy fried egg. How to make cheesy fried egg. Have you ever make it? Pernah kalian membuatnya?
Pernah.
How to make cheese fried egg. That is a goal atau tujuan. And then the second tools. Is there any ingredients? Terdapat ingredients-nya. Ada apa saja? The first an egg. The second firewood, cooking oil, and a pinch of salt. Last some grated cheese. Okay. And the next step. The first step is want to try to read. The first step. Okay, please Naila.
Pour the oil into a frying pan and heat it.
Okay, good. Pour the oil into frying pan and heat it. The second, bring the egg into the frying pan. Next, cook the egg for 3 to 4 minutes. And then put some salt on the egg. Take out the egg and put it on a plate. Last, sprinkle the bread egg with the grated cheese. Okay. And the next. Okay, thank you. Now, any questions about the material? Ada yang ditanyakan? Nothing? I will. Okay, now I will show you a video. I will show you a video. And then after you watch the video, you must analyze this video using the generic structure of procedure text. Silakan analisis video.
Hello, my name is Vanina Setianisi. I am from Sempat. Now I will show you how to make hot tea.
Green.
Hello, my name is Vanina Setianisi. I am from Sempat. Now I will show you how to make hot tea.
Green. Blue. White.
Materials and tools: spoon, a glass, tea bag, sugar, and hot water. Step 1. Put some sugar based on how you like it. 2. Put a tea bag into the glass. Next,
Sorry because any
pour the hot water into the glass.
you can look at my laptop.
Hello, my name is Vanina Setianisi. I am from Sempat. Now I will show you how to make hot tea.
Green. Blue. White.
Materials and tools: spoon, a glass, tea bag, sugar, and hot water. Step 1. Put some sugar based on how you like it. 2. Put a tea bag into the glass. Next, pour the hot water into the glass. 5. Wait until the water turns brown. Finally, your hot tea can be enjoyed.
Can you catch the information from this video? Kalian bisa menangkap informasi dari video yang kalian lihat? Mohon maaf karena ada kesalahan teknis. Okay, what is the
Hello, my name is Marina Satiarisi. I am from Sempat. Now I will.
What is the material you catch from this video? Apa materi yang bisa kalian ambil dari video ini? Yang kalian dapatkan?
How to make a hot tea.
How to make a hot tea. Yeah.
So how to make hot tea?
How to make a hot tea. So, how to make a hot tea ini in generic structure of procedure text posisinya sebagai goal or tujuan. And then next,
2, 1.
Materials and tools.
materials
A glass,
and
tea bag, sugar, and
okay, material and tools. Ada apa saja? Spoon, how many tools? Ada berapa banyak? Bahan-bahannya? Ada five tools in here. The first spoon, and the second glass, the third tea bag, and the last sugar.
hot water. Step 1.
Next
Some
is
sugar
step.
is on
Step one is put some sugar. That's on how you like it. That's on how you like it, yeah. And then the next step,
2. Put a tea bag into the glass.
put the tea bag into the glass. The third step,
Next, pour the hot water into the glass.
put the water into the glass. The glass. The fourth. Step four.
Stir the tea
Stir the tea until thoroughly mixed.
5. Wait until the water turns brown.
Until turn brown.
Finally, your hot tea can be enjoyed.
Tea can be enjoyed. So, how many steps in here? How many steps? Six steps. How many ingredients? And then and what is the goals of this step? How to make the hot tea. Now I will give you. Okay. Now we will work in groups. Nah, sudah duduk berkelompok. Yang sudah kita buat kemarin. Now we will work in group. So I will give you some worksheet. Please discuss this worksheet and then choose one of the picture. Choose the one picture you want to describe or you want to write a procedure text. And then after you choose the picture, you write a procedure text using a generic structure of procedure text. Jadi Ibu akan membagikan lembar kerja kalian, lalu kalian pilih salah satu. Di sini terdapat beberapa gambar. Silahkan pilih gambarnya, lalu kalian buat atau tulis menjadi procedure text sesuai according to generic structure of procedure text. The first, you are write your name of groups in here and then write the procedure text after you choose the picture. When you are discussion, I want make an assessment. Ibu akan melakukan penilaian. Apa saja yang akan dinilai? Yang pertama, nilai sikap. Yang kedua, nilai kognitif. Dan yang ketiga, nilai keterampilan. After you discussion, and then you must presentation the result of your discussion. Setelah kalian diskusi, maka presentasikan hasil diskusi kalian. Okay. Use your dictionary. Well, when you discuss this word, silakan gunakan kamus dan buku catatan yang ada. Silakan untuk berdiskusi. The first, you choose one of the picture. After you choose one of the picture, then write the procedure text using the generic structure of procedure. Write your name. Write your name. Any difficulties? Sudah memilih gambarnya? Write the procedure text. Yeah, good. Choose the picture. Choose the picture first and write your name and the class. After that, write the procedure text with Then right here, real cement. Any difficulties? Any difficulties? Please ask me. If you have difficulties. Sampai mana? Steps. How many steps? How many? Yeah. Step is langkah-langkah. Go. Then tools, material, and then here. Yeah. Four. right arm, right arm. Any difficult? Using your dictionary. Sweet mango. How many ingredients? Four ingredients. Do you like it? This is a very sweet mango. Yeah. Right, the stems. Tight stems. What is it? Coffee. Choose coffee. Cold coffee or hot coffee? Hot or cold? Hot coffee. How many ingredients? Right in here. Step right in here. Can like with adverbial times. For how long? How many sugar? How many sugar we put in here? Then how many cups? Coffee holder. How many hot water? Right, like that. Yeah, right there. Yeah. How many hot water? Half or less? Yeah, less. Less. To do less. How many coffee holder? How many hot water? Can still eat until well. Choose. It's a noodle. It's
Yes.
yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah. Mine. Yeah. Look at in your dictionary. Look at in your dictionary. Bagaimana pilih? Ya. A piece of mango. Look at your dictionary. Using dictionary. What is it? special time here.
Miss,
Yeah.
come here.
What? Okay, put the spoonful of milk into the glasses. Good. The second, put the spoonful of milk into the glass.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.
Yeah. This signature. Station. Yeah. How to make a cup of coffee. A glass of coffee or how to make hot coffee. How to make a hot coffee or how to make a glass of coffee. Any difficulties? How? How to make glass of coffee. Okay, where are you going to be? Any difficulties? Yeah? The cup? Ice cup? Ice cup? The glass of ice cup. First, turn on the screw. Second, fan. Yeah. Any other? Any other difficult? How is grow? Yes. Clean it. Yeah, clean it, mango. Clean it. Peel the mango and clean it. Peel. Then after peel, clean. Yeah. Clean it. After that, cut the mango into pieces. Cut the mango into pieces. Cut. What is cut? Okay, what's the difficulty? Find in your dictionary. Good. It's very good. Where is your seat? Good. How to make a hot chocolate? What are called? Hot chocolate? How many tools? 3. Glass. What is it? Using liquid milk. Menggunakan liquid milk. Using liquid milk. Yeah, using liquid milk. Spoon of powder of liquid milk. Then hot water. Because this is the hot chocolate, so you see hot water. After prepare our material again, now use the following steps. Yeah. First, what is it? First, boil water, and then second. blender. Ya. Buat use. Or we have use blender. Have use blender. Blender. User is blender. And the next step. Turn on. Please read it. Turn on. And wait for 3 menit. Cukup 3 menit. Cukup 3 menit. Turn on the geyser and wait for 3 minutes. Turn on. Nyalakan geyser. Use. And wait for 3 minutes. And wait for 3 minutes. Last. Ready to continue your discussion. Bagaimana dengan begini? Nah, any goals and ingredients ada tujuannya. And then any binary structure. Last step. Put the number. Last step. Put the number. Okay, if you are finished your discussion, we will present presentation our discussion from the group. Just two people. Just two people presentation in front of the class. Ya, jika sudah selesai, kita presentasikan hasil dari diskusi hari ini. Nah, cukup perwakilan untuk dari masing-masing kelompok, cukup 2 orang saja untuk mempresentasikan hasil dari diskusinya. Silakan lanjutkan diskusinya sampai until finish. Ya. Pour the juice into a glass and it ready to drink. Good. full. And last method or steps. Good steps and good ingredients, full and last. All of using disease. How to make water, plain water, or cold water. Hot, cold, or plain. Just water. Just water. Yeah. Material. Yeah, finish your discussion? Yes. Yeah. Setelah diskusi, we will presentation. From the first group. Mulai dari grup pertama. Silahkan. Setelah grup pertama presentasi, please give comment and input from this group. Berikan komentar untuk grup yang presentasi. Ya, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from first group. We will presentation the result of our discussion. Result is how to make a glass of coffee.
Gambar mana yang kalian pilih?
I choose this picture.
Ya, picture. The first group choose this picture.
How to make a glass of coffee. Ingredients: 1 spoon sugar, 1 spoon coffee powder, 250 cc hot water. Step: first, put 1 spoon sugar into the glass. Second, put 1/2 spoon coffee powder into the glass. Pour 250 hot water into the glass and stir it until well. And finally, a cup of hot coffee is ready served.
Any questions for the first group? No? Now, please give the comment from this group.
Okay. again, bro.
Please, the second group. Okay, good. The presentation is good. Okay. Give the applause. The next group. The next group. Group kedua. The second group. Please. Yeah. Okay, please. The second group. Nah, Fadil. The second group. Yeah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Give applause for the second group. Okay, please. Ya. Silakan presentasikan.
From kelompok 2, we will present result dari
Ya. You choose, the group choose. Where is the picture you choose? This is the group to choose this picture. Okay. What is the goal of this picture?
how to make
How to make instant
instant noodle.
noodles.
Tools: 1 pack of instant noodle, water, soup, pan, and bowl.
And then
First, turn on the stove. Put the pan, fill it with 100 cc of water and boil the water. After the water is boiled, put in the noodle in the pan. Cook the noodle. After creaming the pan, turn off the stove. Prepare a bowl. Pour the seasoning into a bowl. Then put in the noodle in the bowl. Mix the seasoning into well. Finally, the noodle is ready to be served.
okay, good. Enough? Any question about the second group? No? Okay. Please give the comment from this group. Please the comment. From group 3, please the comment. Yeah, louder please. Okay. And then, any other? Ada lagi? Nothing? If you presentation, please louder your voice, your sound. Okay, enough? Waalaikumsalam. Give applause. Next group. Group 3, please. Shami. Group 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from third group. We will presentation the result of our discuss. The title is how to make mango juice.
The picture you choose? Okay, this picture. Okay. Nah, ini pilih grup B.
Iya.
Ya. Next. The goal is how to make mango juice. Then,
First, a piece of mango.
yeah.
Next, a half glass of water. After, a glass of ice cubes. Finally, a spoon of sugar.
Yeah.
Then, peel the mango and clean it. Cut the mango into pieces and eat them. Add water, ice cubes, and sugar. Turn on the juicer and wait for about 3 minutes. Pour the juice into a glass and it's ready to drink.
It's ready to drink. Enough? Yeah, enough. Any questions for this group? Any questions? Nothing? Okay. Please give the command from this group. Yeah, from group 2, please give command. Good? Good. And then the next group, please the command. Good? Okay, thank you for the third group. Yeah. Waalaikumsalam. Give a applause. The last group, please come in. Presentation, your discussion, the result of your discussion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, we from for our presentation from our groups. My group is Nurul Widya IKS Fikriansa.
Yeah. Then, where is the picture? You choose. This is the picture from group 4.
How to make a hot chocolate.
How to make a hot chocolate. How to make a hot chocolate. Yeah.
Tools: a glass, 2 spoonful of powder or liquid milk, hot water. Step: first, boil water. Second, put 2 spoonful of milk into a glass. Third, put the boiling water into the glass. Fourth, stir well. Now you may enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal. Any question about this group? Nothing. Nothing? Okay, if nothing, please the command. Terlalu cepat. Bayar slowly, slowly. And then kurang jelas. Explain the material with the slowly. Yeah. Any other? Ada lagi? No. Nothing. Okay. Thank you for class group.
Sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Ketika kalian berdiskusi, nanti ya penggunaan kosakata. You find the goal from procedure text. Ada goalnya di setiap procedure text. Any ingredients or tool? Next steps? After that, we finish our discussion. Please, what is the important point from our material today? What is the material? What is the important point? Yeah. The first point is procedure text. What procedure text? Procedure text, and then generic structure, and then
Ada tujuan, material atau goal, step atau langkah-langkah.
ya. Jadi the important point from the procedure text, and then the generic structure of procedure text. The generic structure of procedure text is goal, tools, and steps. And then any language feature. So, what is the conclude? Apa kesimpulan dari materi kita hari ini? Apa kesimpulan dari materi hari ini? Silakan. Want to conclude? Okay, please. Let's see. What is the conclusion?
Kita jadi bisa mengetahui struktur teks prosedur.
Struktur prosedur, and then pengertian dari prosedur text. And then what is the conclusion? Procedure, ya procedure text.
Bagaimana cara membuat suatu atau bagaimana cara melakukan sesuatu.
Ya, and then generic structure. Ada apa saja di generic structure-nya? Goal atau tujuan, material atau tools, lalu steps atau langkah-langkah. And then after we learn this material, we will do the ice breaking again. Nah, kita melakukan ice breaking lagi for the refresh our mind. Okay. Yang tadi kita lakukan ice breaking yang tadi good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good morning, good afternoon, good night, good afternoon, good morning, okay. Good night. Okay, thank you. Our lesson today has finished. Before we go home, we will pray together. Please, the leader of this class lead it.
After we are studying, let's pray together. Pray begin.
Please.